Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to save fuel on an automatic car. First, ensure your tires are properly inflated. Underinflated tires can decrease fuel economy by about 3%. Next, avoid sudden acceleration and hard braking, as these actions waste a lot of fuel. Finally, remove any unnecessary items from your trunk or back seat to lighten your vehicle's load, which also helps improve efficiency. Driving smoothly is key. Anticipate stops and starts to maintain momentum, which can save you up to 20% on fuel. On highways, engage your cruise control to maintain a consistent speed, preventing unnecessary acceleration and deceleration. Also, try to limit idling. If you are stopped for more than 60 seconds, it is often more fuel efficient to turn off your engine and restart it when ready to go. Regular vehicle maintenance plays a crucial role in fuel economy. Make sure your engine receives routine tune-ups and oil changes according to your car's manufacturer recommendations. A clean air filter can improve your mileage by up to 10%, so check and replace it regularly. A well-maintained car simply runs more efficiently, saving you money at the pump over time. Smart trip planning can significantly reduce your fuel consumption. Always plan your routes to find the shortest and most efficient path, avoiding heavy traffic. Try to combine several errands into one single trip to reduce cold starts and overall driving distance. Lastly, be mindful of your air conditioning use. It can increase fuel consumption by up to 20%, especially at lower speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.